In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to replace the Human Touch Perfect Chair Supreme or Performance Upholstery Package body pad. The first thing we're going to do is detach the body pad from the headrest pad by pulling the top flap out from underneath the headrest. They're attached with hook and loop fasteners. With the top part of the pad tipped forward onto the seat, we'll use a flathead screwdriver to pop open the cover on the connector box. And we'll disconnect the black and yellow cables if you have a Supreme Upholstery Package. If you have a Performance Upholstery Package, it'll just be the black cable. And then we can remove the pad set from the chair. And this would have been easier if we had raised the footrest before we got started here. To install the new body pad then, the first thing we're going to do is raise the footrests and recline the chair slightly to make it easier. Okay, once the chair is in position, we can slide the body pad footrest part over the footrest frame, making sure those two posts on the footrest frame go in all the way into the corners of the body pad. And then with the backrest part of the body pad resting forward on the seat, we can reconnect the cabling. Okay, then we can snap that connector box cover on, tuck it up into the seat canvas, and then we're going to lift up on the seat portion and pull it as tight as we can toward the backrest to take up any slack and push the backrest part into position. It will attach with hook and loop fasteners. And finally, we'll tuck that upper flap up into the headrest pad and push down firmly to attach it using the hook and loop fasteners. Okay, then we can return the chair to the upright position and fold in the footrest. And we're done.